Why didn't you use your common sense? Use your common sense. I'm sure you would have heard this many times during the course of your life, maybe from parents, teachers, friends, and even your bosses. But the problem with common sense is it is not so common at all. When somebody asks you, why didn't you use your common sense? What he or she is actually asking is, why didn't you do what I would have done? Now, common sense is drawn from personal experiences. Now, personal experiences are different for different people, and that is why common sense is also different for different people, because everybody lives a very different life and hence their personal experiences are very different. The opposite of common sense is scientific knowledge. When you use your common sense, you do something that makes sense to you. But on the other hand, scientific knowledge goes beyond the individual and looks for that which is applicable in all possible situations. So let me give you some key differences between common sense and scientific knowledge. Common sense is acquired in your day-to-day living and day-to-day working. But scientific knowledge, you have to pursue it deliberately and systematically. Common sense doesn't require much effort, but scientific knowledge requires special effort. Then common sense, is very individual. On the other hand, scientific knowledge is universal. Common sense is vague, but scientific knowledge is very precise. Common sense accepts the obvious and says, of course. Scientific knowledge, it questions the obvious and says, why? Common sense does not give consistent results. Scientific knowledge gives you the same results every time. Common sense is gained from uncontrolled experiences, and scientific knowledge is gained from controlled experiments. So don't go around imposing your common sense on others. Don't keep asking others, why didn't you use your common sense? Instead, acquire some scientific knowledge to do whatever you do in a more scientific way. And not only that, document it so that anybody can use that information and get the same results every time. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, bye.